In India, daily around 26,000 tons of plastic waste is generated, but only 7% gets recycled and other is just dumped.
आज की तारीख में सबसे बड़ी इशू वो है वेस्ट, और वेस्ट के अंदर प्लास्टिक जो कभी खत्म नहीं होता।
85% of the marble industries are situated in Rajasthan.
इतने क्रशर लगे हुए हैं, फैक्ट्रियाँ हैं, वो सैलरी निकलती है, उसका डिस्पोजल करना भी उधर प्रशासन के लिए बहुत बड़ा हेडेक है।
The challenge was to find solution to environmental problems of Rajasthan. So there was a team of students who started working on using marble slurry.
So we have come with this waste material bricks, so we can utilize plastic waste or marble waste.
Plastic is good binder. We tried using plastic or marble slurry brick.
Earlier for like 2 days we have to cut the plastic from our hand. Getting this shredder from the Eco Grants team, we are now able to prepare plastic in just 15 minutes. We put the plastic bottles in and the shredded plastic comes out. We have to fill that shredded plastic in that extruder. It melts and turns into molds. These molds are broken into small pieces and mixed with other raw materials like marble slurry and fly ash. Now this raw material is fed to the extruder and this material comes out as a molten state filled in the molds, and the bricks are now ready for use.
So these bricks are 40% lighter as compared to the red clay bricks. It is water resistant and recyclable. The traditional red clay bricks utilizes a lot of top fertile soil, coal and water in the process of manufacturing. We don't want to use the natural resources.
We are solving that big problem of solid waste management. Durability of plastic is a curse because nothing happens to plastic. We have converted a curse into a boon.
So we want to utilize those waste that are contaminated into the building material. When we go for commercializing, we have to get these bricks and blocks tested. That will give us a proof of concept for these bricks. For scaling, we'll partner with the Udaipur Municipality Corporation.
उदयपुर की एक छोटी कॉलेज के सेकंड ईयर थर्ड ईयर के स्टूडेंट इस लेवल की सोच रखते हैं, बहुत बड़ी बात है।
I could see the change in my campus, in my college also. There's a lot of young people coming up with the new ideas. I feel like happy I'm doing some contribution for the coming generation.